ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Brooke. I post beauty related videos and lifestyle related videos weekly. Make sure you click that subscribe button down below so you can keep up with me and join this little family that we have built here on YouTube. Today we are back with another tutorial and I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this glittery, more daytime smoky eye, if you will. I know this is nighttime for some people too, but because it is a bit brighter and like all around, I want to call this a daytime smoky eye. I actually used the pigment Light Year by Makeup Geek today. I found with this pigment, it kind of morphs into the shade that you already have on your eyes or what you have around it. It really brings out those tones because as you can see, this is like stark white, but I have it on my eyes and it almost looks like pinky, coppery, peachy, if you will. I actually really like this pigment. This is my first time at trying it and I got this like probably a year ago. So if you guys want to see how to get this look, just keep watching. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and put translucent powder underneath of my eye just because I'm going to be working with brown and darker tone shadows today. So I want to make sure that if I get any fallout, it doesn't ruin the rest of my face makeup. So I'm just going to take my RCMA No Color powder, even though it's in this Laura Mercier container, I just keep it in here because it's convenient. And I'm just going to dip my Morphe sponge into it and just tap it right under my eye here. So that, like I said, if anything wants to fall, we cool. So next I'm going to be taking this shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette right here and I'm going to put this in my upper crease as my transition shade. Once again, I feel like a broken record saying this. I'm going to be going in using my Morphe E27 blending brush. This is my favorite blending brush ever. I am obsessed with it. So now I'm actually going to be taking Realgar from my Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette and I'm just going to put that slightly over top of that color. But I just want more of that warm orange tone in there and I really want that to be part of the focus of this look today. So now I'm going to be taking this shade right here from my Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to start to build this out in the outer corner as well as blending it slightly onto my lid. So now I'm just going to go in with a clean blending brush and blend that area out. So I'm going to be taking Liquid Sugar by Eye Candy Cosmetics. This is just a glitter adhesive and I'm going to be going in with a pigment. This is by Makeup Geek in the shade Light Year. I'm just going to be applying that with a synthetic brush all over my lid and I'm going to stop right about halfway and then go in and blend out with some shadows. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back in with that Realgar shade right here and just tap that in between where I have that glitter pigment and the shadow. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to extend that glitter out a little bit more because I don't like how short it goes into the eye. I feel like it's kind of closing my eye off, so I'm just going to go in and build this over here. And then I'm just going to go in with my finger and I'm going to apply a bit of that Realgar shade and just tapping that very on the border right there between the dark shade and the shimmer that I just put down, or I should say the glitter I just put down. And then once I have that line a bit diffused, I'm actually going to go back in with the brush that I used for the dark shadow. This has no additional product on it. I'm just going to go in and blend this area. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and I am going to put on some liner. I'm going to be staying with the theme that I've been using for liner recently, which is I'm going to put it onto my lash line and blend it out with a brush. I have been living for this lately. Clearly, I've been doing it in a lot of my videos, but I just really like the effect that it gives because you are still able to have a definition from eyeliner, but it's just a bit more smoky and subtle and a little bit more sultry, and I've just been feeling that vibe lately. I'm going to go in with my Morphe liner in Darkroom for this. This pencil is awesome because it is so blendable and so creamy and very easy to work with. Also, what I like about this technique is that you really don't have to be very clean because you're blending it out anyways, and it's easier to kind of fix if you do mess up at all because you can just blend it out. Whereas when you mess up wing liner, girl, you gotta start all over again, and ain't nobody got time for that today, let me tell you. So as I get out to this outer corner blending out this liner, I'm just gonna work it a bit into this outer V out here just to enhance that outer corner. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to be taking my Morphe R2 brush and I'm just going to sweep out from under the eye here, just getting that translucent powder out of the way. For lashes today, I will be using my Wispies by Ardell. These are such a classic, and honestly, you can't ever really go wrong with a pair of Wispies. So I'm going to put my lashes on off camera and I will be right back. So I'm going to go in with my favorite brown liner, which is Richie by Morphe, and I'm going to line my lower waterline with this. I have been obsessed with brown liner lately, you guys, I can't lie. It just looks so beautiful on the eye and so natural, but I also like the way it makes my green eyes look. It gives definition without closing off my eyes like black liner does. So I'm just going to go in with a bit of this Real shade right here from the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm just going to blend that onto my lower lash line. So now I'm going to go into this shade right here, and I'm going to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone with it. So now I'm going to go in with one of my all-time favorite lip shades, and this is by Too Faced. It's their Melted Matte collection, and this is in the shade Sell Out. Every single time I wear this, I get compliments on it because it is just a universal, beautiful shade. It looks good on anyone, and this is like my kind of shade right here. I've talked about these on my channel before. They're my favorite liquid lips just because they're so comfortable and they truly stay on all day long. I have not found a lip that I like as much as these, so if you guys have any recommendations, let your girl know because I would love to try some out. So now I'm just going to go in with Sweet Tea by Morphe, which is just a lip liner, and I'm going to line my lips and fill them in a little bit all around the corners and the edges just to define them a bit more. Alright you guys, so this completes today's makeup look. I hope you guys liked it. This is like right up my alley. I love a good shimmer and some warm tones. That is like the epitome of Brooke. I feel like this is my kind of look. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I mean it from the bottom of my heart. I love putting out content for you guys, and when you watch it and enjoy it, it just comes full circle for me. So thank you so much. Also, feel free to leave comments down below on what kind of videos you guys would like to see. I'm planning on doing more spring videos, and soon, I think it's like soon, oh my god, it's March, so soon it's going to be prom season. So I'll probably start doing some prom tutorials too. So if you guys have any requests, any colors in general, or any kind of look, whether it be natural, dramatic, anything, leave those for me down below. Also, if you want to see any kind of sit down talk through video, I'd love to film those for you, so let me know what you guys want to see down below. So that completes today's tutorial, and I will see you guys next time.